Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be quickly discussing if you need an inflatable pillow, quickly addressing the factors of camping sleeping arrangements. So we're not going to be messing around here. Let me just quickly get into it. So we have a tent, but we have nothing on the ground here. For my suggestion, I would say you need to have a inflatable mattress, which let me show you what I have here. So what I currently have is a climate insulated static V sleeping bag. This has been fairly good for me. As you can tell, I've been using it quite a bit. That is what I've had since for my entire trip so far. So I've been over a month now, and I've had a fairly good time with this. Although one of the things you need to know is blow this up. You just simply blow onto here, and then this little tab here lets the air through and to let it out. So if you don't get that perfectly even, that to let out the air, if you don't have that perfectly straight, it will be slowly deflating as you sleep, and by the time you're halfway through the night, you're probably going to be laying just on the regular ground. So basically, you got to make sure you listen to that little air cap to make sure it's not going otherwise, then because that's not going to be fun at all to be having an uncomfortable sleep. So now we have our first layer. Now you need to have some sort of blanket. So my blanket that I have is a mummy style sleeping bag. This is the brand is called Ascend. So it says Hoodoo. It's good for 20 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 7 degrees Celsius. It's comfortable. You do have a slight bit of space for just like moving around. Personally, I would recommend a mummy style sleeping bag. Of course, for you, your own personal preferences on your situations for camping. So your ultimate comfort is your choice. I would suggest you get a slightly colder rating than you expect, because although say it goes down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit, you will be alive, but you will be slightly cold. And my coldest sleeping in this Ascend mummy sleeping bag was, I believe, about 35 degrees Fahrenheit. I believe it was like 0 degrees Celsius. So it was I was kind of cold with it. And now we have our second layer. If you don't want to, if you know the temperatures, the minimum temperatures that you're going to be experiencing, you could accordingly get your sleeping bag, but I would potentially suggest you get a secondary blanket. This is just a light camouflage blanket. I believe this was from Bass Pro Shop. $20 blanket. It's lightweight. It has a good comforting. There we have that. So this brings us to the question: do you need an inflatable pillow? This will help you get your answer. A sheepskin rug. If you're a motorcyclist like me, then you probably have a sheepskin. Well, you might not. I think I've addressed this in a video. Sheepskin rug, it makes you have so much more comfort. And so here we have it. We put down our sheepskin, and then we could fold our blanket, put that on top, and then we will be able to have a headrest, a pillow, if you will, for our sleeping arrangement. Because I don't want to be having my head directly onto that sheepskin rug, because it does have a slight smell of sheepskin. Well, I have the sheepskin, my sweater, and then my blanket. I got a decent thickness of comfort for my head. And now for the answer that I asked you: do you need an inflatable pillow? I just received this as a gift. So we have a Hikenshire inflatable camping and travel pillow. More than 900,000 Hikenshire inflatable sleeping mats and 851,000 Hikenshire inflatable pillows have been sold by Amazon. So it says over 1.5 million customers benefit from these. Let's open it up and see if we will also benefit. To be honest, I don't know the exact price of this. Like I said, it was a gift from, my parents got me this. Shout out to them. Thank you very much. So it comes in this nice, small, compact size of a hand. If I had a can of soda, I'd compare it. It's a bit bigger than a can of soda. Before I go into this, I know some of these inflatable pillows can be up from anywhere to $70 to, I've seen one at Cabela's, or Bass Pro Cabela's, same difference. I've seen one of these for over $200. Let's open this up. This is very big. Okay, so the fabric of this has a feeling of an athletic shirt, like, you know, like I'm wearing one right now underneath this, but it has a lightweight, very smooth, very nice cloth feeling to it. This wraps around your sleeping bag, your sleeping mattress, I should say. Sorry. This is elastic, so you could fit it to pretty much whatever size of sleeping bag you have. Sleeping mattress, I should say. Sorry. I just want to show you what it looks like on the inside. So here we have it. So this is like just like a regular plastic. I don't exactly know how you fully take this off. Without further ado, open this up. Valve pressed in, and the air flows out. Valve press out. Okay, so let's blow this up. You'll see. I'll put this in real time so you see how much breath it takes. And so here we have it. It is now inflated. I don't know if this is exactly supposed to be purposeful like that. I feel like this side should be the part that's on my head. Oop. I ain't gonna put this on the ground. Potentially it's supposed to be like that. The button look like it's strapped around the back of this. So you can press once and it deflated. So we'll just see. I do like this method of securing the air in. I like the button, the detent. It feels very secure. Even if this wasn't that secure, this here has a very nice fit. Now let me just go lay down on this and I'll let you know if I think it's some quality. Well, get in the tent here. Oh, by the way, if you like this tent, I either have a video out on this. It's the Eureka Midori, where you get a full review of this tent. Now let me just put this on the mattress. So as you can see this here, so we wrap this around. And as you can see, because this is elastic, it is stretching over this edge. And so there's only one thing we need to do. Take a nap. What's up? Is this inflatable pillow a necessary factor for your camping sleeping arrangements? It's slightly difficult of an answer. And so although this could easily be a 20-minute video, I'm gonna keep the answer straight. You have, say, the sheepskin. If you have, say, a spare blanket, say you have a secondary sweater, or you have like a light jacket that's slightly comfortable that you don't mind having on your face. And if you're being conservative about what you take, if you don't want this extra, it's super lightweight, let me tell you. But if you're super conservative about that type of situation, then you might not really want to go with it. But in the same respect, personally, I do enjoy this. So immediately, this is so nice. Like I said, I've been over on this for my Cross America adventure, which is I'm documenting and recording. That was just laying down on that was just so nice. Ultimately, for anything motorcycle related, your preference is all that matters. Your style of riding, whatever you do, is always going to be specific to you. Like, someone else could be doing this exact same style of trip. They're not going to have what I have. They might have better, they might have worse. I might say that's not necessary. They might think my stuff's not necessary. So your preference is yours. Although I would say just laying down on that was super comfy. I personally think that this Hike and Sure ultralight pillow, I would say if you take comfort, if you want to have a great night rest, I would definitely go with having an inflatable pillow. And although this might not even be the best inflatable pillow out there, there might be better, there might be something cheaper. Although I'm pretty sure this was off Amazon, but I'm pretty sure this is about $30. Nonetheless, it doesn't matter the price of it. Technically, if you're slightly on a budget, then yes, the price matters. Although, like I said, some of them are upwards of $200. So be careful with what you buy. Make sure you look for quality. Make sure if you want lightweight, make sure you get exactly what you want. Hands down, I do suggest it. Although, if you, of course, if you're just doing an overnight camping, nah, no need to bother. It's the size of a can of pop, but it's not necessary. If you're an overnight camper, yeah, no major necessary key ingredient. It's not crucial to your mission. But if you're doing an extended, I'd say more than 2-3 days, definitely get a pillow. Make sure you get exactly what you need. Like I said, make sure you check off the boxes that you want, lightweight, compact, whatever you want. I guarantee you there's gonna be some out there. So thank you. Just because this is the only one I've had so far, I would have to suggest you get the Hike and Shore ultralight pillow. So if you guys like review videos, I've been doing camping for a minute now. So if you like this type of video, let me know in the comment section maybe what other type of gear you want me to try. I'll gladly do more gear review if that's what you guys like. So definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Let me know in the comment section down below what other type of what other type of gear, necessary stuff. I'll do reviews, I'll do lists, I'll tell you what you want to know because I'm enjoying camping. So thank you so much for watching. As always, have a great day and keep it real.